Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. Today is the giveaway the giveaway drawing video for the mini album MASHUP Album 2 background design release. This is the last background design release for this set of templates, and it was just 3 backgrounds left. So the hearts, the grungy wood, and the vintage polka dots are all now on the MASHUP Album 2. And these are now going to be available in my Etsy shop. So the last giveaway video, all you had to do was leave a comment under that video in order to enter into this video, or into this giveaway drawing, and you have to be a subscriber to my YouTube channel. So the winner will have their choice of getting all 3 of these sets of templates, or 1 or 2 or whatever. However, if they want all 3, they can have all 3. If they want 2, they can have 2. If they want 1, they can have 1. So there'll be 3 winners in today's giveaway drawing. And I was just looking, I already pulled in to the random YouTube comment picker. I pulled in the video URL and I grabbed the comments, and I noticed that not very many people saw that video. So there's not very many comments. So your chances of winning are greater, apparently, in this video today. So if you left a comment on that last giveaway design video, or giveaway background design video, then you've got a pretty good chance of winning today. So these are now available in my shop. There will be a coupon code at the end of this video. But first, we are going to pick the winners. So like I said, I've already pulled in the comments, and I'm going to hit start. And if the video goes in and out, that is because I have to go check to see if that person is a subscriber. And if they aren't, then I have to pick another winner. So again, we're going to pick 3 winners all together. Eventually, hopefully 3 times each one is a subscriber. So we're going to hit start, and I'm going to try to tilt my phone where you can see. I'm going to hit start. Wait a second, what happened? I'm going to hit start. There we go. Okay, congratulations to Brenda Estes 5391, I think. You are the first winner in this giveaway drawing. There's an emo. This is the first time I've been talking today, you guys. I know that's terrible. It's like 11 o'clock, but it's like the first time I've actually spoke out loud. There is an email in the description box just for giveaway winners. So if you contact me through that email, we will get the ball rolling. You will have until, what date? Oh, I didn't pick a date. The date will be down below, but I usually give you a week or 10 days. You'll have until I'm gonna write it down now. Till the January 23rd to claim your winnings. So contact me sometime between now and January 23rd, and you could get to pick all 3 or just 1 or 2, it doesn't matter. So vintage polka dot, grungy wood, and hearts. So let's pick another winner. Is this it? Pick new one? Okay. Let's hit start. Okay, our second winner is Easy to Be Holly. I think is what it says. You are the second winner in today's giveaway drawing. Please contact me via that special email down below for so that you can collect or get the ball rolling for your winnings. Congratulations to you. And we need to pick one more winner. Okay, congratulations to our third winner, which is Kim Edwards. M7G, I think is what it says. You are the third winner and the final winner for the mini album mashup, album 2 background design giveaways. So you get the set of templates of your choice out of these 3 or all 3 or whatever. You all get the point. So congratulations to you 3 winners. Again, you have until January 23rd, 2026 to contact me to claim your winnings, which is awesome. That was harder than I thought it would be. There's only a very small amount of entries. So there was a lot of people that are not subscribed to my YouTube channel. So, or quote unquote publicly subscribed to my YouTube channel. That's very important, because if I pick a winner that I might know is subscribed to my YouTube channel, but they're not publicly subscribed to my YouTube channel, that means that some other person might look and say, well, that person's not subscribed. That's not fair. You see what I'm saying? So I can't, there's no way to prove that you're subscribed if you're not publicly subscribed. I know that's a lot of unnecessary information, but anyways, congratulations to those 3 winners. And one more thing, I have a coupon code that is, again, it is just MASHUP. It's 20% off of everything in my Etsy shop except everything in the embellishment section and everything in the printable paper section. So there are some exclusions. So there is 20% off everything in my Etsy shop. It's valid from the time this video goes public to January 26th. And you can use it as many times as you want. But that is the coupon code. If you have any issues with the coupon code, just contact me through Etsy and I will help resolve them. All right, you guys, thank you guys so much for playing. No, thank you so much for entering the giveaways over the past few months. I love doing giveaway drawings. I think it's a fun way to give back to all the people who support my channel, who leave comments, who buy, who watch, all the things. I think it's a fun way to give a little bit back to you guys. But anyway, so thank you so much for hanging out with me today, you guys. Congratulations to the winners, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.